Since you've already seen low, this is medium. And it wobbles a little. Actually, it wobbles in some ways. Alright, now we're going to turn on high speed. Okay, now I'm gonna power down. It takes a while for it to spin down. Other than that, it moves pretty good, but I think the bearings just needs to be oiled. Plan on taking this one down because supposedly I might be moving into a new place pretty soon. I don't know, but hopefully it'll happen. Okay, it does take a while to spin down, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the fan, because it does. And here's the SMC Laguna KV36 from 1987, and I think it was sold at Walmart, but most of you should tell me if that's correct or not. Alright, as you see, there's one thing I love about these SMCs. I really love the stencil on the blades. I mean, I'm a huge fan of stencil, especially with ones with cane. I don't see SMC Lagunas with cane very often, but mostly with stencil. And the only ones I see with cane is the Park Avenues and the A52s and F52s, and that's all I've seen with SMCs. And I have like 3. I have 2 Park Avenues and this one. And I used to have a 5-blade one, but it's no longer with me anymore. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video. So, see you all later.